Obaseki don mourn the death of Auchi Polytechnic Rector Jimah wey waka go meet Baba God. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok as Bonny take pay am on top Auchi Polytechnic Rector Dr. Momodu Sanusi Jimah wey waka go meet Baba God for 60 years. Governor Obaseki tok dis one for statement say Dr. Jimah na beta administrator wey don try well on top how Auchi Polytechnic don beta reach as e carry beta devel enter di school. Obaseki come pray say make Baba God help the family, management, staff and students of the school bear the loss of this ogbonge man wey be Auchi Polytechnic Rector until he die on the 2nd of October 2020. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok house body take pain am on top Auchi Polytechnic Rector wey don waka go meet Baba God. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi.